you believe are I'll say one of the most important skills when using AI technology?
What got to do it? I mean, so it depends, right? If we're talking about large language models like ChatGPT, in my opinion, it's like getting used to it. So in the beginning, I didn't really know what to do. Like I didn't know almost nothing to do with it. You know, I was like, what kind of task? What can it help me with? And now I'm using it for coding. I'm using it for, amplifying any kind of. So for example, what we're doing. So I hear this a lot, obviously, that but is your content helpful? Isn't it just a copy of something? And for example, so what I'm using AI mostly for is I have an idea, I have some interesting thought in my head, and I want to get this out into the world. So I'm telling the system, and this is our specialized system. I'm telling it the headline, and then I'm telling it, there's like another field where you can enter background information. And so I'm telling it, and this is something for the audience. If you want to, create content, and you have a content idea, whatever kind it is, right? Tell the system, write, for example, an article around this idea, and then you describe the idea. So the AI is not, this is a way of funneling the AI into writing what you want it to write about. And then, so AI, so you have an idea, and the AI is going to produce content around the idea. It's enriching it. So for me, the idea still comes from me. And the AI is more like a, very potent version of me typing. So that's something I recommend. So, for example, so instead of, writing 20 hours or 4 hours with ChatGPT, you can, listen to podcasts, learn, and create more creative ideas, develop more ideas, and then create more interesting content or do whatever with your time.